Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Misati Smiles.
All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be all this cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin'?
So today we're going to talk about the benefits of onion juice for hair growth. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share your thoughts on the comment section down below. I'll be reading them all kama kawaida. And with no further ado, let's get started. Using onion juice is a sure shot method to boost hair growth and promote hair regrowth. So we're going to give it a try and see how true this is. Onion juice helps to improve growth by boosting the levels of an antioxidant enzyme catalyst. This enzyme helps to decompose hydrogen peroxide, optimizing the hair growth cycle. It helps nourish your hair follicles with its rich content of sulphur. Sulphur is an essential for regeneration of your hair follicles. The rich sulfur content also helps to minimize hair thinning and hair breakage. The antioxidant also helps reverse premature aging and graying of your onions. Rich antibacterial properties helps keep your scalp healthy and free from infection, promoting healthy hair. So I'm going to show you how to make the onion juice, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video, guys.